It's spacious, I'll give you that, but it really badly needs some updates, especially at this price point. So you walk in right there, you've got a closet, you've got a living room with just the one window facing the back. It's fine, and technically there's a window, but when you're in this living room, this feels like the entryway, and this is the living room, and it has no windows. Through there, you've got bedroom number 1. I cannot find the light switch for that, but you've got decent windows, and it's a decent size. Again, the apartment is spacious. Look at how straight these lines are painted. I love it. Then you've got a kitchen, and it's fine, I guess. It's small, it's kind of old. It's got like 6 layers of paint. And bedroom number 2. But again, it's spacious. That's the one thing this apartment has going for it. Elevator building, 4250 in Midtown, but it's a great amount of space. You have a nice, clean, outdated bathroom. That's your toilet seat. And just overall, it's a little dark feeling here. But then again, it's spacious, so someone's gonna rent it. Splitting the rent, it's like $21, $25 each for a nice spacious bedroom and a spacious apartment in Midtown.